Yes, tell me what you have over there in your
So this is
hands.
Soul
That's,
Tallow Cream.
and before you tell me about Tala Cream, I want the world to know she is Elizabeth and she's the Queen Bee. So Queen Bee,
Mm,
I want to learn some more about that product, right?
okay.
Because it smells so good. It feels good on me.
hmm
You know, I'm a tropical man, so I have the dry skin. So this thing is awesome. Tell me about it.
So it's only got like four ingredients. So it's got tallow, got some shea butter, and then it's infused into the cream with some lavender to
Nice.
just a very nice light scent, and it helps. It also has carrot seed oil,
Good.
so it helps protect the skin from the sun, but also allowing the healthy parts of the sun to come through.
Nice.
This is great for eczema, psoriasis, skin conditions. You saw yesterday I burned my finger when we were making hot tea. It's gone. I don't have any burn. I just let it sit just like that and just let it melt in the burn and it was gone.
So let me ask you this question now. You think a yard man like Rasta man smoke? You think a yard man that like a product like that?
Yeah,
For real?
for real. I think so because it keeps your hands like I work outside and my hands get very dry. So like a woman
Okay.
should have like soft hands, but if you work with your hands, they get really rough. So this helps keep my hands rough. So men, especially you get little cracks when your hands are dry because
Oh
you work
gosh,
outside.
man, them
You can
other
just take
dry
that and
like
put that in the crack in the hand and it'll heal
them
it.
other dry like cement.
Yeah, but the ladies don't want your dry cement hands
Well,
on
we just
them,
went
so
up
you
that
know.
I rub them down quick and fast. Yeah. All right, so that's the product. So what else do you have to share with IG World? You have anything else? You have
We're
any other
having a
products?
hoot.
You have any other? Oh, you have
We're
the
having
hula
a
hoop.
hoot. Share about the hoot. What we're
Oh,
having.
we're at the.
Show the hot sauce.
Oh my gosh, my friend Danny gave me this new product, jalapeno astragalus organic hot sauce. So you definitely need to check that out. All right. So everything is going on. All these great, crazy things happening right here. You know, everybody. You know, all these things happening. I'm so lazy to. Oh, check this out. This is a Rishi thing, chef. All right. So we definitely want to try these things. And this is the natural bee pollen. Okay. All right. We're doing it. We're doing big. And this is the colloidal silver. We need to try that one. And this is the plain ass honey. You know, you're not plain though. Hmm? Products. Products. All right. So this one is the funny honey, and this is silly honey. So this one has the psilocybin.
And this
Okay.
one is cannabis,
And that one.
1,750 milligrams.
Okay.
So these are both for microdosing, obviously.
Microdosing.
This is about a month's supply if you're taking it every day, a quarter teaspoon a day.
And one is what?
One is psilocybin and one is cannabis.
Mushroom.
Mushroom. So,
Silly. So
how much
it's
this one cost?
Well, we're having a sale, so usually it's 125, but it's 100 this weekend. So it ferments for 6 months.
Oh, see that? It's
Synergistic.
yeah. Some other something.
But you
that
know,
make
if you
it
wanted to go
costly.
on the ride, we got that.
Look at her, like she wants to bag it.
Yeah.
Eh? What you know about it?
What else? So we got
All
bug
right.
spray. What
Oh,
about
yeah,
the
the
black garlic?
bug
You guys had the
spray.
fermented garlic last night.
You see me finish that
You
right
ate the whole
before
thing. It's like candy.
right before your eyes. You remember?
Let's see what
I
we
forgot that I was supposed to chew a couple cloves. I finished the entire bulb. Oh my word. Hmm?
One piece of mud sauce, man.
They have mushroom dressing. We need to go get mushroom dressing. So here,
I'm
you can
going
put
up
the
there.
hot sauce on the garlic.
Okay. Oh yeah. Wait.
Them have your sauce over this, man.
Honestly, I'm going to be honest. Still, you know, I ate some.
You want me to bring some of
I
their
ate some mushroom and it's starting to work.
Wait, what?
Oh,
Are you
true,
recording
true,
right now this whole time? Are we live?
All along, no, we're not live, but we're making a video of,
Okay.
you know. Yeah, it's a mushroom, you know.